So Rebecca, tell us about our setup. Like all these plants,
Our makeshift greenhouse.
Yeah. Our solo cup tomatoes.
16
But
ounces.
honestly, honey, how have you utilized stuff that normally we'd throw away? What are all these?
Those are your
Those are my Cougar, whatever. Keurig. There it is. My Keurig cups.
Close.
Those are all my. That's an accumulation of all my coffee. And there's more, but she's found a way.
Well, you can cut the foil off and rip the liner out, and then there's already a hole in the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
And then it's just right for tomatoes. These are peppers. These are the little tomatoes. Those are the big tomatoes. More tomatoes. Lots of tomatoes.
What
Cucumbers.
are those?
These
Oh
are
my
the
goodness
happy
sakes.
bright green cucumbers that
There's
are
so many
in
cucumbers.
toilet paper tubes, and this was, I think, the chocolate bark container from Christmas. Works perfectly for trays. That had been cheesecake. But just little containers that you'd normally throw out, they weren't great for trays. And we have kale. Kale, actually, I had to sprout it in here because it wasn't growing in the soil, and the seeds would start to rot before they'd actually sprout. So with that, at least I could see what was rotting and pull it out.
We're so welcome.
Yeah. Lots of tomatoes.
Okay, honey, we want to talk about the potatoes here?
They look sad, but
I know, but
it's too cold out still. I already planted 2 layers of them out in the potato bed, but they'd been whole potatoes, and then I cut them up so they have eyes.
And
some of these aren't very visible.
What did we do to them? We dried them out.
Yeah, you have to let them dry for a few days to a week, so the starch in the potato will actually heal them. They'll dry. They'll be real wet when you cut them, and then they form like that white chalky starch that heals them, and then when you put them in the ground, they won't rot.
You can see some of them are already.
They're so cute.
Yeah, the potatoes are cute.
No, but like, look at the little kale. Looks like little butterflies when they're
I love
little.
it. Where's my dill?
Your dill is here and some over here. These ones they had sprouted in the bag, and they're not coming up out of the soil yet, but they are sprouted. There's some more actually that need transplanted. No, I transplanted the ones that were sprouted in there today. These ones I need to get some more containers for, because you can see the little roots. A few of them over the last few days were sprouting, and then they're just gangbusters today. So I ran out of toilet paper tubes.
Hey, I love you.
Love you too.